This makes no sense. People are so fed up with the bureaucracies. So fed up with it. Why would we be considering this proposal without a very clear understanding of where the water goes? And these are the things. People are fed up with the lobbyists. They're fed up with the political consultants that concoct these ideas in back rooms and try to force them down the public's throat and then try to bilk potentially hundreds of millions of dollars to pay for this project. That is absolutely insane. That makes no sense to the average person. And people are mad about this. South Florida Water Management District, after the whole debacle about this letter and the lack of willingness to clarify what it meant, precipitously losing public trust over this issue, like I have never seen before. My ask to you is that you tell us, the taxpayer, who somehow is being told that we're going to pay for this, according to Southland's website, tell us what would happen. What would it cost to make this an STA? What would be the benefits, the reduction of discharges at the Caloosahatchee and St. Lucie, which desperately need them, if we make this project into an 8,600 acre STA? That's the kind of stuff that we expect out of South Florida Water Management District. We need to see alternatives. We want to see the modeling before we even get going with this process. Show us what a real water resource project looks like. Show us what those benefits are. That is what we want to see.